Welcome to the video where we tackle a common problem in data visualization using Altair Charts. The problem we're looking at today involves creating a clear and informative chart without visual conflicts, specifically in relation to grid lines and text placement. Visual clarity is key when explaining concepts like progressive tax brackets, where multiple bars and text elements need to coexist harmoniously on the chart. Now, let's delve into the solution for the issue at hand. One effective approach is to add a stroked background to the text, creating a visual separation between the text and the grid lines. By duplicating the text and applying a stroke with an appropriate width, we can ensure that the background adjusts dynamically to the size of the text. This technique enhances readability and addresses the challenge of maintaining a balance between grid line visibility and text legibility. By incorporating these adjustments, we can achieve a more polished and professional-looking chart. In summary, we've explored a practical solution to enhance the clarity of Altair Charts when dealing with overlapping text and grid lines. By strategically adding a stroked background to the text elements, we can create a visually appealing chart that effectively communicates complex information, such as progressive tax brackets. I hope you found this solution helpful for your data visualization projects. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Keep charting, and until next time,